Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RV online classes. In previous class, we have completed our second chapter, that is whole number. Now, in this session, we will start knowing our numbers. That is our first chapter. Okay. Before going to start this chapter, we will recall what we have learned in whole numbers. Okay. Definition of whole numbers. Natural number with zero are called whole numbers. Next, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. These are whole numbers. The whole number is denoted by capital W and the smallest whole number is 0. Okay, this is the definition of whole number. In that chapter, we have discussed that predecessors and successors, and number line, addition on number line, subtraction on number line, multiplication on number line, and we have discussed whole numbers, properties of whole numbers, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Okay, we have completed some exercise 1.1, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. Now we will start with our new chapter, knowing our numbers. Dear students, in knowing our numbers, first see what are numbers. You already know that numbers. See here, what are numbers? 2, 23, 100, 5, 6. These are numbers. Okay, here numbers forms with digit. Numbers forms with digits. Numbers forms with digits. See here, this is a 2-digit number. This one is 2-digit number. This one is 3-digit number. 2 is 1 digit, 3 is 1 digit. Okay, there are 23 is 2-digit number. Here 100 is 3-digit number. Here 1 is 1 digit, 0 is 1 digit and 0 is 1 digit. There are 3-digit numbers. And this is also a number but 1-digit number. Here 5 is also number. This is also 1-digit number. So numbers forms with digits. Numbers forms with digits. So this is 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 1-digit number, 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. So 4-digit numbers. Numbers form with digits. Okay? Understood? Next. Now first thing, we will see comparison of numbers. Okay, comparison of numbers. Here, for example, take some examples. 64 and 3. Comparison, in comparison, the number is greater than or less than or equal. We will see here three things: greater than or less than, greater than or less than or equal. We will see 3 things here. Okay, here the number is 2-digit number and here the number is single digit, 1-digit number. So here there are 2 digit and here 1 digit. So which is greater here? 64 is greater. So this one is greater. So 2-digit number compared to 1-digit number always greater. Okay, 64 is greater. Now let's see another example. 35 and 53. Here the digits are same. Here also 2 digits and here also 2 digits. But in this, first we will see the first place of these numbers. Okay, here the number is 3 and here the number is 5. Here the number is 3 and here the number is 5. So which is greater in these two numbers? Which is greater number? Yes, 5 is greater. So obviously 53 is greater than 35. Okay. Like this, we should, for example, take another example here. 1000. 9, 1990. Okay. This is also 4 digit number. Compare first digit. First, see, this is also 1 and this is also 1. See next place. Here there is a 0 and here 9. So here 10 is less than 19. So 19 is greater. So 1919 is greater than 1000. Okay. First we will see digits. How many digits? If digits are equal, then see first place. If first place also say similar, then see second place. Okay. This is how we will compare two numbers. Here, in common language, we will say first place, second place here. First place, second place, third place. But in mathematics, we will say place value. We will say numbers have some names. Ones, tens, hundred. These are called place value. So, the numbers have some names. We will call it as place. We will call it as place value. Place value. Okay. In this, there are in Indian system there is a different place value of numbers, and in international there are two systems: Indian system and international system. Let's see first Indian system. In Indian system, see here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 digit number. Okay. In this, the value of the place value of 1 is ones. The place value of 2 is tens. The place value of 3 is 100. The place value of 4 is 1000. 10,000. Lakh. 10 lakh. Crore. 10 crore. Okay. So, in Indian system, the place value of 1 is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is the Indian system. Different numbers have different place value. For example, we want to see the place value of 5. Here, what is the place value of 5? 10,000. Here, the place value of 5 is 10,000. 5 is at the 10,000 place. So, the place value of 5 is 10,000. Okay, students? Now the place value of 8. We want the place value of 8. We want the place value of 8. So here the place value of 8 is crore. The place value of 8 is crore. Okay. Next, we want the place value of 3. The place value of 3 is 100. 3 is 100. Okay, like this we will see in Indian system place value of numbers. Okay, the numbers have some names, some place value. Okay, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is in Indian system. Now we will see in international system. The place value of this number only we will see in international system. international system. In international system. Okay. See here. First is same as it is ones. Second also tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here in international system, the changes come this place. See here, up to 10,000. In Indian system also same, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. In international system, 100,000, 100,000. Here, ones, tens, hundreds, same. Thousand also same, 10,000 also same. But here, changes in this place. So the in Indian system, this place is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs place. Here in international system, 100,000. Next, million, million, 10 million, and 100 million. This is an international system. You heard that lakhs, crore, million, billion. You already you know these names. Lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, crore, 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crores, million, 1 million, billion, 1, 2 billion. So this comes in Indian system and this comes in international. This is not equal. See here, lakhs and millions are not equal, and crore and billions are not equal. These are some places. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. This is an international system. Okay. Next. Now we will see comma. How to put commas. Okay. Hope you understood this one. Next thing is commas. How to put comma after how many numbers we should put comma? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In Indian system. In Indian system. In Indian system, how we should put commas? See here. See carefully, dear students. In Indian system, first we will select 3 numbers. From right side, from back side of this number, from back side or right side, take 3 numbers after comma, then 2 numbers, 2 numbers, and 2 numbers. Okay. This is how we grow. 3 numbers, 2 numbers, 2 numbers, and 2 numbers. This is because why we are first taking 3 numbers? Because ones, tens, hundreds. This is in one group. The reason of this comes in one group and 1,000 and 1,000. This comes in one group. Lakh, 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh comes in one group. Crore and 10 crore. This comes in one group. Because of this, They group as 3 first, then 2, 2, 2. 3 numbers after comma, 2 numbers after comma, and 2 numbers. Don't take from left side. Okay, take from right side or back side of these numbers. First 3 numbers after comma, then 2 number after comma, then 2 and 2. Okay, because this comes in one group, this comes in another group, this is one group, this is one group. So that's why we took like this. Next, in international system, see here, same take number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In international system. In international system, 3 numbers after comma, 3 numbers after comma, 3 numbers after comma. In this, there are 3, 3, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 numbers, 1, 2. Because ones, tens, hundreds. This is in one group. 1,000, 10,000, and here, yes, 100,000. Okay. Because of this, they group like this: 1, 2, 3. These 3 numbers in one group, 1 stands 100, and another 3 numbers in second group, and this one: million, 10 million, and 100 million. 100 million. This is one. Okay. Hope you understood this one. Next thing. Now we will come with number names. Number names. For example, take one example. See here, 8, 7, 8, 3, 2, 5, 1. Okay. In Indian system, first write in Indian system. In Indian system, I already explained that after 3 numbers with comma, after 2 numbers, then 7 is single. So here, after 3 numbers, then 2 numbers in Indian system. Remember this, in Indian system we are taking after 3 numbers first, then 2 numbers, then 2 numbers. But here 7 is single number, so we are taking like this. Now, here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and lakh. So here, write number names. You should write here numbers name. 7, 7 lakh, 7 lakh. This is 83. This is one group, this is one group, and this is one group. Okay, so this is lakh group. 7 lakh, 80, 7 lakh 83,000, 83,000 and 251, 251. See here, once again I will explain. In Indian system, first if they are given on numbers. Suppose 3, 5, 8, 7, 0, 1, 3. Okay, first put comma. After three numbers, after two numbers, after two numbers. Firstly, we should put commas. Okay, then we will see. See here. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 35 lakh. Okay, write 30 as in name. THIRTY 30 FIV5 like this. Okay. Now see here. This is also same. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and lastly lakh. Now lakh place 7. So 7 SEVEN 7 lakh 83,251. Okay. Take this example. Write this 35. This is first example. Second. See here, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 35 lakh, 35 lakhs, 87,000, 87,000. See here, in this, ones place 3, tens place 1, and hundreds place 0. So here, the place of 100 is 0. So here, we should not take 100 as a 0, 100. Okay. Here, 35 lakh, 87,000, and we should write only 13 because here the 100 place is 0. So you should write only 13. THIRTEEN 13. Okay. 35 lakh, 87,000 and 13. Okay, understood? Hope you understood. Now we will see the examples in international system. Take some homework of this. Take some homework. In Indian system, we should write number names in Indian system. We find Indian system and find international system. Write these names in Indian system. Okay, write these names in Indian system. Let's see in international system. In international system. In international system. We will see the number name in international system. Okay. First one. 53210 5 9 3. See here. In international system, first what I said to you, if the number is given to you, then first put commas. In international system, dear students, remember we are writing in international system. So in international system, after three numbers comma, after three numbers remaining one. Okay. Now this is in ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and this one is million. Okay, the last number is single digit, so million. Understood? Three groups, these three groups and these three groups, remaining 5. Now write down here. What is it? First 5 million. Yes. 5 million. Next, take this full 321. See here. 321 21,000. See here, the changes are here. See, 953. 953. See here, this is 5 million. You will write, okay, 5 million. After that, the twist is here. There are 3 numbers, 1 group. 3 numbers, 3 digit, 1 group. See here. This group is thousands group. So we should write in international system 321. 321,000. In group we should write here 321,000. Thousands group, so 1,000. 321,000. Same 953. Okay. In international system. Next, I will take another example. You will get easily. Second example. I will take small example. Okay. Afterwards, later we will see greater numbers. See here, this is international, so we are grouping three digits. Okay. Here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. Okay. Now write 100,000. So 530,000. 500. 500. And if you want to write, otherwise don't write. 530,000. Why we are writing here 1,000 means here this group is thousands group. Okay. 530,000. 632. 630. Same. Okay. Understand? In international system, once 10, 100, after 100,000, 10,000. Up to this in Indian system also same. Up to 10,000 in Indian system also same. After that, the next step is 100,000. Remember, the next step is 100,000 in international system. In Indian system, lakh. Okay. Next, after 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. There are three groups in international system. Okay. Now, take homework for in an international system. Write names in international system. Write names in international system. Take here also 5 examples. take this 5 as a homework. Okay. Hope you understood, dear students. In this section, we have discussed numbers. What are numbers? Numbers formed with digits. Okay. Uh, this is one digit, this is one digit, 2 is one digit, 5 is one digit. So the numbers form with digits. Okay. Next, what we have discussed in Indian system, international system, how to put commas, how to write number names in Indian system, in international system, how to compare two numbers or three numbers, two-digit number, three-digit number, four-digit number. Okay, these we have learned in this session. Next, we will continue in tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you. If you have doubt, if you have any doubt, please ask me in group. And these homework send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.